Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina and we are back with another video. So today's video is this super cute deep curl wig install sponsored by Arabella hair. So today is my man's birthday and we're going to dinner and we're going to the club, and I wanted a certain look. You know, I wanted long hair. I wanted something that just says I'm here, Beyonce type thing, right? And so that's where Arabella hair came in. They sent me this glorious 28-inch deep curl 13x4 frontal, and I'm in love with it. It's literally perfect. So if you want details to this unit and you want to see the full install process, stick around. See you on a few. Best friend, be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, I know that I will never find myself. Alright, so like I said earlier, we are working with Arabella hair today. I have a very particular look in mind, and I'm hoping Arabella hair will help me achieve it. They gave me some goodies. We're gonna open those real quick. They gave me some wig caps and an Arabella hair wig band. So this wig is 28 inches. I'm very excited. I needed long hair today. I really did. Ooh, y'all. Can you tell I'm excited? Okay. This is a deep wave unit, slightly different than what a water wave would be. I actually prefer this much more over water wave. The hair quality is super nice. Hairline is pre-plucked, pre-parted, pre-bleached, all of that. And the lace is looking pretty thin too, which is good. They have a wig band in here in case you wanted to wear it adjustable or if you needed to size the wig properly to your head. And then of course they have security combs, and honestly the cap looks like it's really comfortable, so I'm excited about that too. Yeah, so I think all I need to do is tint this lace and we can get right into it. Okay, I'm just gonna show you what the lace looks like now that I've tinted it. Much better. Just gonna cut that all the way off and then I'll make my adjustments now. So you gotta have you a nice sharp razor. Okay, so now that our glue is no longer sticky, we are going to put our wig band on to fully secure our lace. Okay, wig band is on. We're gonna just comb through, get out any loose hair. And this hair doesn't shed a lot, which is really nice, and it's also so soft. Yeah, the hair literally just falls through your fingers. Hey, yo, can wig companies send wax sticks? Because this is where I'm at with my wax stick. I literally have to take it out so I could use the rest of it. I keep forgetting to buy another one. But it would be so helpful if y'all would just send us wax sticks. Like, every wig girl needs a wax stick. Let me get my leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner I'm going to use is by Carol's Daughter. It's literally just hair milk. And it's actually a curl refresher spray. And I'm just going to spray this right onto the curl. It's like a nice fine mist, so it's not going to get it too wet. Make sure every last strand is coated and crunched. Now I'm going to roll my wig band down and we're going to start working on this hairline. I think I've worked with Arabella hair probably like 3 times now, and their wigs are always so gorgeous. Oh, y'all thought we was finished? That's fine. Now we're gonna go down the side. Alright. Now we're gonna take our wig band off and see what our lace is looking like. Whew. Whew. That it's getting hot. I would say we're looking pretty good. I just want to do a little bit more tinting. Y'all, I love it. This is too freaking cute. I love the volume. I love the curl. I love the length. All of it. Like, look how long this is. This is literally perfect for tonight. I think we're about done, but I won't know until I'm dressed, so I'll be right back. All right, y'all. I am dressed. I'm ready to go to dinner. Y'all, I am feeling this hair. Like, it is so, so cute. The definition, the curl pattern, the hairline, the hair quality, everything. Like, Arabella hair has done it again. Shout out to Arabella for sending me this unit. Y'all literally gave me the perfect look for my man's birthday. All the details for this unit will be down below in the bio. That way you guys can get the exact unit that I have on. Remember, it is 28 inches, honey, 13x4 frontal. If you have any questions about the hair or any questions about the install process, go ahead and comment that down below and I will get back to you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and leave it a like, comment down below your thoughts, and of course, as always, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. All right, I gotta go to dinner. I will see y'all later. Pics will be posted on my Instagram. Y'all know where to find me. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all. Bye. Now I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me myself. I know that I will never be myself.